Let's practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. Planning the weekend. Conversation between two friends, Sarah and Jack. I'll play the role of Sarah and you'll play the role of Jack. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start. Hey, Jake, any plans for the weekend?
Hi, Sarah. Not yet. What about you?
I was thinking of going to the new movie that just came out. Want to join?
That sounds fun. I've been wanting to see that movie. What time?
How about the PM show on Saturday?
Perfect. Should we grab lunch before the movie?
Great idea. Let's meet at the CAF near the theatre at PM.
Sounds like a plan. See you then, Sarah.
Can't wait, Jake. Let's practice your English. Now. Hey, Jake, any plans for the weekend? I was thinking of going to the new movie that just came out. Want to join? How about the PM show on Saturday? Great idea. Let's meet at the CAF near the theatre at PM. Can't wait, Jake. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.